Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create install guides, product reviews, and mods of cool car accessories and gadgets. In this video, we are going to install car LED ambient lights. We are going to install this wireless control box to replace this EL wire. So that way this lighting will match the footwell lighting that you saw on previous video and the dashboard lighting. We are gonna go ahead and remove the door panel. All right, so I basically unclipped this from here, took out the plug, the harness, unclipped this from here, and the door handle light from here. I went ahead and took out the EL wire, the blue EL wire, and replaced it with the fiber optic cable. This is how the back of the door panel looks. I'm gonna remove the storage LED and the door handle LED. I am not gonna be using them. These are the LEDs. One for the door handle and the other for the storage compartment in the door panel. This is the LED for the storage compartment, but it does not fit. I don't want to drill another hole to make this work. So I am going to unscrew this, and there's that LED, and then I am just going to use a glue gun. Just put it right there and use the glue gun instead. So I went ahead and hot glued the glass on top of the LED. And then now I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it into the hole. Now we let that dry. That's how it looks, hot glued in place. Same thing with the door handle. This is the door handle LED. All I'm gonna do is just use a glue gun and just glue it into place. It actually goes this way. Just like that. The LED hot glued in place for the door handle. I'm gonna go ahead and trim it up to here. You want to get the end of your fiber optic and cut about 1/2 inch. You just want to cut the flat part. Just like that. Now you want to grab your LED head and the fiber optic cable, and you're going to go ahead and push that in. Nice and snug, just like that. Now we want to get our sub control box, the wireless one, and just find power for it. So I am going to use the harness for the door handle. So the pins don't quite fit in there, so I'm just going to plug it from behind. I'm gonna get one of the LED heads and I want to test it, make sure I got it right. Go ahead and plug that on. let's turn it on. Looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring back the door panel and just put it back in place and plug the 3 lights back into the control box. First, you want to plug all 3 of your LED lights that you installed. Alright, after that, you want to plug all your harnesses back. The main, and I guess just one harness, because we don't need to plug the 2 LEDs back, the OEM LEDs. I'm gonna go ahead and put the door panel down, and I need to zip tie and clean up the wiring. That's how the wiring looks. Zip tied and tucked away. Nice and clean. You don't want it hanging and dangling around. Makes too much noise while you're driving. Works perfectly. You can see the light there and the light there. First, we remove the step covers. This is the rear step cover removed. We remove the front. Then we go ahead and move the seat all the way forward. Now I have more room to access the B pillar. Next, you just want to grab the lip of this B pillar and pry it back. Do the same for the other side. And lift. Now you have access. Now you have to unscrew the speaker and just go ahead and pop it out. Now we have access. We were going to follow this, feed the wire through here and out through there. I got the wire through. Comes out here. See if I can give you a good angle. Right there from the bottom. Pulled it through, and we're going to run it to the front. To get through this, you want to use something long. This is how I fished it through. I taped the end of the wire to the tip, and then I just pushed it through. So here's my connection. Here's the wireless control box. I extended the wires, ran behind the speaker through this tube here, out, it went down. You can see the red and black wire here. We're gonna go ahead and run it to the front. Here it is to the front. Ran it under here and connected to the footwell lights. Now I'm gonna do the same for the passenger front door. Here we got the passenger door. Here's the control box. Soldered and shrink tube the wires. Went ahead and fed it through here. again, I fished it with this, and it came out through here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tap it in to there. This is the footwell lights in the front. If you're interested in this product, I left the product link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.